Hi, it's Nancy with My Mom's Bows, and we have an order of ribbons that have come in from Craft Outlet. So let's do an unboxing and see what we have. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to first get rid of the little excess stuff that we have here. And let's see what we have. We have this really cool green ribbon that's got some circles in it that is featuring a fuchsia and blue and orange and yellow and purple. So I'm going to use this as an inspiration ribbon. That's why I purchased it and thought I would pull in some of these other colors and make a pretty bow using this as my featured ribbon. I want to talk for a minute before I go any further about what I mean by a featured ribbon or an inspiration ribbon. That's the ribbon that I'm going to build the bow around. It's going to be what inspires the rest of the ribbon to come together. So that's what I mean by a feature or an inspiration ribbon. Okay, so let's see what else we have. This is what I would call a basic ribbon or staple ribbon. It's a filler ribbon, something that will be supplementing, like it may be something that I would use with this ribbon. So we have this purple, and here is another one to go with it. And I was in need of some pink, so here we have a pink and another one to go with it. Chevron is still in style, and so we have that chevron there. And all of these are in 10 yards a roll, except for this and this. I have two that are 50 yards. One is a fuchsia and one in red. Those are 50 yards. I use those as basic staples ribbons. I use the red and the fuchsia a lot. Now this is 2.5 inch wide. It's black. It's a staple or a basic that I use a lot of. So I was in need of getting another one of those. And here we have a really cool Swiss dot purple. And this is a really pretty cool teal. They just came out with this new design. Roses, white roses on a different color backgrounds. They have it in pink, blue, lavender, and teal, which is what I purchased here, was a teal. And here we have, this is called a stitched ribbon. This is one of the basics or the staples that I have picked up, a blue one. Now this, oh my goodness, I love this. This is what will be a featured or a specialty ribbon, an inspiration ribbon. And I just love the orange that's in it mixed with that navy. Orange and navy has become real popular as far as a color combination. So this is one of the specialty ribbons that I ordered, and you see here that I got two of those. Let's see what else we have. Yes, we've got another one of those. And here is a really cool filler ribbon, but I can also use this as a specialty ribbon or a featured ribbon if I wanted to. And this is a navy. I think I might have another one of these in here. I may or may not have another one of these. And a Swiss dot, that's a mint. Mint is a real popular color, and I sell a lot of bows that use mint. So this is a mint Swiss dot. And did I pull another one of these earlier? Yes, so I have 3 of these total. And I love this. This is a yellow, which will be, and it features pink roses. And this will be a specialty or a featured and inspirational ribbon that I can build and use supplemental ribbons with it that I can build a bow around. And this is just a basic or a staple ribbon that will be featured in with other ribbons. Here's another one of those pink chevrons. And here we have red Swiss dot. I use a lot of this in my bows. And ticking, who doesn't love ticking? We have a cream and black ticking. And this is, has a little bit of sparkle to it, but this is another sample of the mint green that I use a lot of. And here is that mint green again, turquoise or teal, whatever color you want to call it, that's got that beautiful rose pattern in it. Now I can use this as a staple or a filler, or I can build a bow around this. It's so pretty. And last but not least, we're back to another one of those really cool new ribbons that they have out now that's got these circles in it. They have this ribbon, not just with the green background, but with the navy background, a yellow background, a pink background. I thought it would be pretty cool to use this green background, something different and unique, and then pull these other colors to supplement it. Well, that is it for this particular unboxing that we have today. Stay tuned, and if I get another medium to large order, we might do this again, and you guys can see a little bit behind the scenes of what happens when we get another order in, and you can take a look at some of the ribbons that come in that I'll be using for some of the bows in the future. So take care. I'm Nancy with Mom's Bows. Hop into the shop from time to time and see what new bows have been created. momumsbows.com. Take care. Bye.